Let's have a quick look at the Cab Screamer 60 by Hynotone. So essentially what this does is power your cabinet so you can get some sound from it. Normally I would plug into this Marshall head right here, and you see how big it is compared to this pedal. Essentially what you're doing is you got your guitar cable here, the speaker cable directly into the cabinet. It is powered by USB-C right there. Turn on the switch and you're ready to go. And the guitar is connected. Let's turn up the volume on it. Okay, you can hear it. Okay, so you got plenty of sound right there. That's the level, resonance and presence. Now, if you wanted to add effects to it, you can just run a pedal in front of it, distortion pedal or whatever other effects pedal, and you can just use this. You can just carry this in your backpack and just plug right in, and you're getting sound directly to your cabinet.